Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make the most delicious tacos a la mexicana. So if you want to learn how to make them, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so here I already have all of my ingredients. As always, they'll be listed in the description box. So with that being said, let's begin cooking. Alright guys, so first we're going to begin by setting our pan or wok over medium-high heat. Going to be adding a little bit of oil and just allow it to heat up. Once the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add our potatoes. And just season it with a little garlic salt. Now just allow them to cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our potatoes should be cooked. Now we're just going to move them to the side. And to that, we're going to be adding our sizzling steak. Here we're going to season with some black pepper, chili powder, oregano, and cumin, along with a little bit of salt. Okay, so now just allow that meat to cook. Okay, so after 5 minutes, our steak should be cooked. Of course, make sure that you check it. It's nice and tender. So now we're just going to move it to the side. And here we're just going to add our ground beef along with our chorizo. Going to break it down and allow it to cook. Okay, so after 7 minutes, our ground beef and chorizo should be fully cooked. Now we're just going to set it to the side. Okay, I just want the grease to come to the center. Like that, we can fry our weenies. So just allow them to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, remove some of the grease from the meat. And now we're just going to add our minced garlic and chipotle, along with the Roma tomato, onion, and jalapeno. Just mix it and allow it to cook for about 3 minutes. Okay, so after 3 minutes, we're just going to mix it all together. Okay, and here you're going to taste it for salt and see if you need to adjust it. So now we're just going to get ready to add our hot sauce. Okay. Then lastly, we add our cilantro. Give it a couple minutes so that we can get ready to make our tacos. Okay, so once we're ready to make our tacos, we're just going to grab our corn tortillas, dip it into the reserved grease, and now just heat them up. Alrighty, and just like that, once we have our tortillas, we can now get ready to serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. These tacos are seriously super easy to make, under 30 minutes, and seriously super delicious. And of course you can always, if you don't like something, you can always remove it. But let me tell you that these right here are seriously the best. So of course we gotta add some lime. And let's not forget our spicy salsa. Just like that. Cheers and enjoy. These right here, so good, so flavorful. Got all of my favorite ingredients in one bite. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how I make my super easy and delicious tacos a la mexicana. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button so you guys keep part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.